And we start in three, two, one. Hello and welcome, you beautiful legend. Yes, we're back for Friday's episode. I know you're wondering, Karan, Sham ko daru, but as you all can see, it is not daru. It is decaf coffee. Bro, as everybody is attached to a lifestyle, every cool person is attached to a lifestyle. Like somebody's attached to keto diet. Like hey meet Aryan, he's into keto, or like hey meet Ravi, he's a vegan. Bro, मेरा ऐसा होना चाहिए मीट करण इज इनटू डीकैफ कॉफी. वाई करण भाई इनटू डीकैफ कॉफी. बस ब्रो पुराना कॉफी पी के थक गए, पर फ्लेवर तो सेम है, तो क्या हो गया? बट करण द फ्लेवर तो क्या हो गया? तू कौन? हु आर यू टू जज मी? ओनली गॉड कैन जज मी. I hate fucking when people say only God can judge me. Like, what do you mean? Like, what do you mean only God can judge me? Like, what people walking on the street can't see me be like, ये क्या चूतिया है ब्रो? सड़क पे थूक रहा है तो कोई क्या ओनली गॉड कैन जज मी? अगली बार में पकड़ के लाफा मारेगा किसी को, बोले करण क्या कर, बदतमीजी क्यों कर रहा है? ओनली गॉड कैन जज मी. फेयर इनफ, यू गो डू योर थिंग. Sorry man, fucking I don't know man, like it's been a rough day bro. I've been trying to record but my laptop is, it keeps crashing bro. Pata nahi laptop, fuck, I'm sick and tired of it man. Like I don't understand what's wrong with my laptop. Like it just keeps fucking crashing. Like no matter what, like I don't know what's up with fucking Windows. Every 30 minutes there is a new update. Like थक नहीं जाता तू खुद अपडेट होते हुए? Like how much will you fucking up? Like give me an answer. How much do you want to update? Like give, why don't you give me one big update, right? कि मतलब तेरा पूरा लैपटॉप अभी उल्टा चलेगा, अभी सीधा नहीं चलेगा, उल्टा करेगा लैपटॉप तो ही चलेगा, चल वो भी अपडेट ले लेंगे. पर एक अपडेट देना ब्रो, हर आधे घंटे में नया फकिंग अपडेट ब्रो. आई एम सिक एंड टायर्ड ऑफ इट मैन. लाइक आई कांट हेल्प इट. Like how, okay, see my setup is very like, it's very minimal. Like I have one camera that's recording me, like my webcam, and then I have another phone camera, right? That is for like I'm making videos or some short videos or something, right? So I make it from that good quality camera. Here like a and this mic, that's it. And all I do is I record it and I just add my intro music and I upload it. There's not much that goes on. Like I don't have a multi कैमरा क्या ऐसा राइट पे देखो तो कुछ दिख रहा है, मतलब लेफ्ट पे देखो तो कुछ दिख रहा है, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. ठीक है, मतलब ज्यादा कुछ ऐसा क्रेजी नहीं है, कोई ऐसा प्रोड्यूसर नहीं है, मैं ही हूँ अकेला सब कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ी दया खाओ मेरे पे. जो दे खान, तेरे को दे पैसा भेजना है भेजना मेरे को. इफ यू वांट टू गिव, डोंट गिव दया, गिव कैश. एक नया मतलब like new fucking slogan. Like even in news, like when people say, oh, all our respects and our remorse goes to our prayers go to the victims of the pandemic. Yeah, fucking send cash. Like send cylinders, oxygen cylinder, cash, ये सब खाना भेज, नौकरी भेज. मेरे को तेरी दुआ नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है? I think, see, bro, I'm not affected by I am affected by the pandemic, meaning like all of us are right in our own way. Someone mentally, someone's losing family, someone, like all of that is happening. Like everybody's affected in some way or another. I lost a couple of people in my family because of the virus, and I mean, granted, a lot of them were not, like it was expected, but I mean, I don't want to talk about that. It's kind of like, this is not the vibe of the podcast. We just talk crap. But point being, yeah man, like fucking the government saying, bro, एक तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है ये गवर्नमेंट से ज्यादा बेंचो न्यूज में क्या चल रहा है ब्रो. मैं थक गया हूँ ब्रो, न्यूज पढ़ पढ़ के थक गया हूँ. ऑल फकिंग डूड. एक तो these news channels have figured out that we're internet addicts, right? So they fucking, even on YouTube. See bro, Instagram was supposed to, and Twitter, for I don't know how many of us use Twitter. Like I also, by the way, go follow me on Twitter. I just started like tweeting shit. It's funny. It is. I'm serious. It's funny. But yeah, like a lot of us started like, are mostly addicted to Instagram, right? Even for that matter, YouTube, we aren't like too addicted and stuff like that, because not I don't know how many people watch it on their phones. Like I watch YouTube on my phone. I bought YouTube Premium. Fucking best investment ever, bro. I'm serious. I'm not even joking. It's the best investment ever. I'll explain that later. But yeah, like I bought a fucking NDTV. I follow NDTV. All these other news channels also, left wing, right wing channels. So everything I follow. Okay, I don't like. I'm not subscribed to them because I don't want only that on my feed. but I've essentially I follow all news channels. Like I go in the search bar and I type the news channel's name because I want to know what's their take on it. Like I want to have a well-rounded argument. Even in terms of like when there is criticism for the Modi government, let's say, fine, right, for the central government, just to be a little more not attacking. Let's say there's criticism for the central government. Not in the. I'm not really a fan of the current central government. I'm not really a fan of the BJP. I don't. I think. I don't think it's a good. I don't think they're nice people. I know it sounds very like cliche when I say this, but I don't think they're nice people. Like being proud of a certain religion is good, but imposing that, etc., etc. There's a lot of fucking issues with it. But yeah, I was seeing like, dude, even for that matter, one of the most reputed guys was Arnab Goswami. What the fuck has happened to that guy, man? I remember long back when he used to take down like Raj Thakre and all. He's called on his fucking long back. I forgot what it was called. I forgot his old talk show where he used to call on this one guest, and for 1 hour he used to fucking grill them left, right. I was a fan of him at that time. Like he used to grill these fucking politicians. Like Raj Thakre is called on, and he's grilled him for being like a anti-Muslim and all of that shit. Like fucking grilled him. But yeah, so ब्रो क्या चल रहा है ब्रो कुछ भी चिल्ला रहे हैं लोग फालतू का एक न्यूज आई डोंट नो fucking what news channel that there's some weird guy who's just like putting his hand on his hips like Rakhi Sawant. Like see, I have no problem with that lifestyle, you do as you please, you I to support everything, but ऐसा मतलब तू न्यूज एंकर है और तू कैसे घूम रहा है ब्रो यार, have some fucking like diplomacy and some sophistication. I don't understand. Like there is literally no like, and it's so obvious now everything is divided. It's like the narrative has been going on and on that there is one side there is Godi media and one side there is legit media and all of that shit. I get it, but at some point I feel like you should just stick to giving the news. Like मैं थक गया हूँ bro, मतलब like I'm sick and tired of fucking listening to idiots rant. If I wanted to do that I would have watched my own podcast. But yeah, but fuck man, like I'm sick and tired of idiots ranting all the time, man. Like just you're at the position where you can literally teach the country something. People tune into you for some sort of hope, and you're fucking doing this. Like I don't get it. Like I don't get how news anchors can get on fucking prime time news networks and just start, instead of criticizing the dude, the original job of a journalist was to criticize everything that the party in power does and the government does. Meaning they were the liaison between the people and the government, and they are supposed to be our voice. And now imagine what it's boiled down to. It's the opposite. They are the voice of the government, and that is not good. Like there is something inherently wrong. If your media is supporting a particular party, the media should be on the side of the people, irrespective of what the political party in power is. I know this is like a weird concept, but think about it, right? Like if I'm a journalist, right, and you assume I am unbiased. You're Now we don't assume that, but let's say OG times, journalists were unbiased, where they would fucking plow down anyone that was doing wrong, and they would try and fucking go to sting operations and shit. Right? Like the phrase sting operation is no more existent at all because nobody fucking does that. No journalist is out to fucking get the truth. I don't know, man. Are there any people? Even I see all fucking news channels, even on the left wing. Although I am more leaning towards the left, I'm all pro everything, whatever, blah blah blah. Right? You consider the entire left hemisphere. There's quite a bit I don't agree with, but most of it I do. I still don't like that media. I love print. Shahbaz Ansar, I hope I'm getting his name right. Fucking legendary guy. Like I'm going to tell you, this is how much I love him. He went on this fucking some speech was happening where this some fucking BJP leader was saying like ये मुसलमानों के 8-8 9-9 बच्चे हैं, यहाँ बैठे हर जन के 2-2 बच्चे हैं, वो लोग के तो 9-9 बच्चे हैं and all. And he was on the ground, taking interviews of people. आपका क्या feeling है ये वो. And he asked some guy, random guy walking, he's like, आपको क्या लगता है कैसे ये, मतलब like sarcastically he's asking आपको. Firstly he is Muslim, so it's very funny that people are like thinking that he's on their side. Okay, maybe one of some Muslim might be, or might do that, but He went to one of these guys and he was like, "आपको क्या लगता है? आपकी like this is the mic he was holding, which is why I'm doing this." Um, oh, by the way, fuck people who are listening to the podcast. I'm so sorry. Like this is what I hold. When I said in the beginning, what is in the glass? It is a transparent glass filled with decaf coffee without any milk. Okay, moving on. I Yeah, so he puts a mic up in front of the guy and he goes like, आपको क्या लगता है ये कैसे रोक सकते हैं? He's like the guy responded, जब इन लोगों के human rights कम हो गए ना, hear this out. This is the I might get a couple of words incorrect, but this is exactly what he meant. आप जब इनके ह्यूमन राइट्स छीन लिए जाएंगे ना, तभी होएगा ये सब, तभी ठीक हो जाएगा. दूर तक टिल देन इट्स नॉट गुड. एंड शाहबाज अंसर गोज लाइक, तो इनके ह्यूमन राइट्स छीन लिए जाने चाहिए. द गाय वाज लाइक हाँ. एंड शाहबाज अंसर लुक्स एट द कैमरा sarcastically. He goes like, काफी इंटेलेक्चुअल लगे आप मुझे. Then the other guy was like, thank you. Dude, it seems straight out of a fucking movie. I'm like, if anyone reaches this part of the podcast, whatever, if y'all wanna know where this video was from, I'll send it to you. I watch it every now and then just to reach that part and fucking see that. It's too hilarious. But yeah, man, like, what the fuck has happened to Indian media? I don't understand. Like, what is this fucking dude? It's genuinely like I was seeing a couple of graphs. Like throughout the pandemic, there were 4 or 5 debates on like the pandemic, and 90% of it was on Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant Singh Rajput. Sorry, I get it. Like, it's an important. It's someone's passed away, right? It's a horrible thing, and it's a big deal. But it's not like it's not like you can't cover that in another segment, and you don't have a pandemic at hand. If that is important, so many lives that are already lakhs of lives that have been lost are also important. But they won't cover that. Why? Because this is getting them TRP. You all know the TRP scam, all that shit happened. Fucking bro, matlab, like I don't even know what to say. Matlab, like, and I'm not I am becoming political because I'm sick and tired of watching all this garbage that is happening. I have no idea what the fuck to do anymore, bro. Like how do I tune out when this directly affects me? Like the whole Twitter scene that happened, where fucking there was this guy from UP who put out an SOS for his dad who needed oxygen, and fucking UP Sarkar went and told him, "Oh, that is fake news," and they put him in jail. His father died. You see that, and this is what the fuck is happening. Like I don't know, like anybody who supports all of this, like what the fuck is going through your brain? Like make me understand. Like maybe I don't see a side to this, and I maybe really don't. Like I'm not that smart a guy probably. So tell me, you know what I mean? Bro, am I speaking into the mic correctly? Is this the correct side or is this the correct side? Fuck. Okay, maybe this is. I don't know. Fuck, bro. But some heavy shit went down, man. Like I'm perplexed by whatever the fuck is happening. But yeah, dude, it's is what it is. And in other news, fuck, man. It's evening, man. Today I've been recording in the evening. This podcast might come out late, I think. For those of you who are listening, I just had a big sip of my decaf coffee. Bro, you know what the problem is with like the regular coffee? I'm too addicted to it, right? I'm overly addicted to coffee. So I've realized that I should complete my caffeinated coffee regime before 4. And I love having coffee. Like people love sipping on like Coke, Pepsi, and all. I'm a coffee guy. If you give me cold black coffee, I can have it all day, and that is not good. That is horrible for your body, right? So, but like I've been trying to like cut down and shit like that. I don't know, man. It's okay. It's what it is, man. Black coffee is the way to go. Once you go black, you never go back. Yes, there I said it. My probably in the future black listener. I don't think it's a Hinglish podcast, right? Hinglish. I love the fucking word Hinglish. Like what the fuck? Like who made it? Like what the fuck was going on in their head when they said English? Like I don't know. It's a very how do I say it? It's a weird term, English. What language do you speak? English? No. But I love languages, man. Like I find it very we've been thinking, so my mom starting a clothing brand, like not a clothing brand, she already used to make um wedding clothes and shit like that for a lot of my family members and all. And now she started like she's going legit, you know. She wants to make a business out of it. So we were thinking of names, and we fucking came up with like all these Sanskrit names and shit like that. And my mom goes like, let's go for a Tibetan name. Like, why do you want to go for a Tibetan name? Like, she's like, nahi, bas saru lage. And then this is the craziest part. And she goes like, let's go with Nari. By the way, if you like the name Nari or something, just message me. Like, this is what I am arguing for folk, FOLK. My mom's been arguing for Nari, NAARI. I think like both have great potential, but I prefer folk. Nari is something like the stuff she makes is very expensive. Like, it's like heavy um, clothing, so like it goes for a higher price. So she's been arguing for Nari, and I've been telling her that Nari is like, it just sounds like something you'd find at West Side, not necessarily bad, but it's something you would price at mid range, like maybe for a dress or something you wouldn't. I don't know how much women's clothing is, but कुर्ता let's say आदमी 800,000 का खरीदता रहेगा, उससे ज़्यादा कितने का होएगा कुर्ता, क्या मालूम, मतलब like जेंट्स कुर्ता 600. Fuck, I'll tell you a crazy story. Gents kurta se yaad hai. Every cousin's wedding. Okay, this is crazy shit. Every cousin's wedding, I used to go and buy a new kurta, right? Every 3 4 years. मतलब either the wood. I don't really wear kurta, so I don't bother which one. What, like, you know what the thing is. खाली color मतलब pastel shade रहना चाहिए. Because there is only one or two places where you wear a kurta in a wedding, and I'm not much of a sherwani kind of guy, or fucking it's too hot, bro. And I have allergies. Like, I don't. Nobody talks about this, but fucking clothing is too. Indian clothing is way too fucking heavy, man. Like, it's so hot. एक तो fucking whatever wedding ये destination wedding होते हैं जयपुर वयपुर में, even in the fucking winter it's still scorching heat. fucking बॉम्बे में तो अगर तू wedding कर ले, इतना धूप रहता है ब्रो दिसंबर में भी, कि बारात निकलते खुद की बारात निकल जाती है ब्रो. मस्ती भी नहीं कर रहा, मेरा सर फट जाता है. I hate it. I just stand on the side. I don't know how people like dancing in Bharat. Like, what happens? ढोल कितना नाचेगा? वो गन पर टन 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 कितनी बार नाचेगा ब्रो उस पे. वो एक that one fucking, those guys know one thing, and now they've like moved on to like Brazil with the tabla. Not tabla, sorry, the dhol. They start playing that shit also. I'm fucking tired of it, bro. It's too hot. And chicks in, what's wrong with fucking chicks in these like heavy lehengas and shit like that? हाथ में मेहंदी, चूड़ी, lehenga and sunglasses with a drink in the barat. They have to have that. Like, they have to have a drink and sunglasses with a heavy lehenga. Dude, it's so hot. Bombay, even in December, is 30 degrees outside, yeah, in the daytime. How are you dancing in a barat in that heat? Like, I don't know how perfect do you want your picture to be? Like, what is the long term gain that you get from that, like, situation? Okay, see, I have nothing against drinking. I fucking love alcohol. I have nothing against women. I love women. I have nothing against Indian clothing. A beautiful lady in Indian clothing, rap chick. Okay, but I feel like if you combine the three, it's too much. Meaning, she's already drunk, she's feeling hot. And this happens with all my fucking sisters, and I'm sick and tired of this. And then they make you hold shit. Like, क्योंकि मेरे कुर्ते में यहाँ पॉकेट है और यहाँ पॉकेट है, मतलब लेफ्ट रिब और राइट रिब दोनों में पॉकेट होता है कुर्ते में. 3 बहन का फोन लेके घूम रहा हूँ मैं सब. इट्स लिटरली वेइंग मी डाउन. लाइक कुर्ता ढीला हो जाता है, उसके स्ट्रेच हो जाता है कुर्ता. Like, those fucking, I don't know, like, it's genuinely the case where I'll wear a fucking kurta, and the kurta will like मस्त में साइड में 2 पॉकेट रहेगा, जहाँ मेरा फोन, मेरा वॉलेट, क्योंकि मतलब वो कुर्ते के नीचे का जो भी पैजामा रहता है उसमें पॉकेट नहीं रहता है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ मेरा फोन, यहाँ मेरा वॉलेट, जहाँ से ज्यादा घर का चाबी, और धूप रहा तो हैंग की. वेल सेट, बैलेंस्ड, doesn't look out of place. उसमें 3 of my sisters will come half hammered and hand me their phones and keys and other bullshit and be like, ये इधर डाल तू, इधर डाल. और मैं मतलब ज्यादा बारात में नाचता नहीं हूँ. apart like my other cousins dance, so fucking they put they give me to fucking hold everything. It's irritating. It's just how it is now. I can't help it. But yeah, fucking it's a horrible combination, man. Like, I don't understand. Like, aren't you feeling hot? Like, isn't the heat fucking killing you? Like, okay, Heavy Indian clothing makes you fucking sweat. Bombay weather makes you fucking sweat. Boozing is so heavily related to sweating. Plus dancing. Bro, at that point, you're literally slipping in your own fucking sweat. You're drenched in it. And I don't understand how you have the will to go on for 30 minutes. After a point, मेरे को मन करता है भिंचुत जाके लाफा मारो वो ढोल वाले को कि बस कर मेरे बाप प्लीज मेरे से 150-200 रुपया और ले ले प्लीज बस कर ले यार. Again, I don't want to be too critical of it, but am I the only one fucking feeling like this? I'm confused, man. But on that note, sorry, I'm ending it abruptly. Go follow me on Twitter, go follow me on Instagram, go follow me everywhere. Just throw me some love. See you next time. Bye bye.